Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about Yii Framework 1.1 installation, login, logout and CRUD operations. First, what is Yii Framework 1.1? Okay. Yii Framework 1.1 is high performance PHP MVC framework used to build web applications quickly and securely. Is a high performance MVC framework quickly and securely. Okay. Now key features of Yii framework. First one, MVC architecture, and the second one, to fast performance, and third one, GA code generator. That means we can create the model and we can create the controller. And next, fourth one, to authentication and authorization. And the fifth one, CRUD operations. And the sixth one, secure and scalable. Okay, first we will start the installation. Okay, installation, first you go to the Google. In the Google, just type yiframework.com download. After this, just go to the 1.1 version, source code, download. After the download, just go to the download folder. In this download folder, just extract okay. After the extract, there is 4 files and 3 folders. Just copy and go to the C folder, XAMPP, htdocs. In this htdocs, create the Yii folder and in this paste. And after that, just go to the DOS mode. Okay. Otherwise, you go to the folder in this XAMPP, htdocs, CMD. Okay. In this CMD, CDYI, CD framework. In this, just type YIC web app and folder name, path, XAMPP, htdocs. In this, my project 2. Yes, we can create the web application. Yes, installation is completed. Now we'll check. Go to the browser. In this browser, localhost, my project 2. Yes. Login. Go to the admin, and admin password is admin default. Yes. Logout. Okay. Now to create the database, in this, just go to the folder structure, C, XAMPP server, htdocs. In this htdocs, my project 2. This is Yii framework folder structure 1.1. Go to protected. In this protected, there is a controller, model and view and configuration, same like a coordinator and Laravel. Go to database. This database, to enable the database connection, save, just save, and to create the database, the MySQL, go to the MySQL database name, test drive. Yes, database created successfully. Now to create the table name. In this table name, to create a table, users, in this users, we have required ID, username and password, email. 4 columns is required. ID, integer, data type, primary key and auto increment. Okay, comma, enter. Username, varchar 100, length, password, varchar 100, email, varchar 100, length. Okay, just go. Okay, database creation successfully completed. Now to insert the data. Okay, to insert the data, insert into users, username, password, email. Okay, and values same, admin 1 2 3 4 and admin dot @gmail.com. Okay, to insert the data. Go. There is some error. Into go. Okay, one row is inserted. Now we'll check. First you go to the Yii Framework, in this Yii Framework, to open the GI, go to the folder. In this folder, go to the main. In this main, to open the, enable the GI concept. Save. Password is 1 2 3. Save. Now to question mark R is equal to GII. Yes, password is 1 2 3. Enter. Now to first create the model, users, preview, yes, generate, yes, model creation successfully completed. Now CRUD operations, users, preview to generate, yes. Now log out, yes. Okay, now you go to the users, yes, users. In this users, first you create a user, login same admin and admin login. In this to enter the data, Ravi, password 1234, email Ravi @gmail.com, create. So data inserted successfully. Now to manage the data, Ravi, view, say manage, edit, Ravi 3, save, yes, Ravi 3, Ravi 3. Now to delete the data, yes, data deleted successfully. Okay, again we will check create user, Krishna 1 2 3 4 5 6, Krishna @gmail.com, create. So data inserted successfully. Again to inserted money 1 2 3 4, money @gmail.com, to create, yes. Now we will check the manage the data, money 5, save the data, yes, money 5, delete the data, yes, delete the data. Okay, in this one finally Yii Framework, we completed the login system, CRUD operations and database connection and MVC structure. Okay, finally the procedure of this, first download Yii, create a project, next configuration of database, next setup login, and next create a table, enable GIE to generate the model, generate the CRUD operations. Okay, finally to run the application. Okay, thank you.